What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and got the rollie on. No, but I'm just out here chilling, and I was just thinking about the amazing week that we've had in trading in terms of the Discord, and then also just me, myself, and a couple of my close friends. We've been doing extremely well when it comes to trading, just because we've decided that we want to win. And what I've come to realize is that in order to continue these big wins and all of my big wins, the way that I got there is because I decided what I wanted and I said no to everything else. So the word decide, decidere, in Latin, it comes from the word off, which is the D means off, and then the cadere, which basically means to cut. So decide, the word decide basically means to cut off. And when you decide something, when you decide what you want, you cut off everything else. You cut off all other possibilities, and you focus on the one thing that you want, the one possibility that you want, and then everything in your life starts to align and move in that direction. Remember that where your attention goes, energy flows. So if your attention is on the lack that you're seeing in this 3D reality, then you are going to start experiencing lack. So remember, don't be blinded by what you see. Okay, don't be blinded by what you see. You want to continue to think from the mind and actually project what you're thinking into the world. So wherever your attention goes, energy is going to flow. And I literally saw this happen. So what I was doing was, a lot of the time I was focusing on all of my losses and all of my losing trades, and then I would wake up in the morning fearing and thinking so hard about a losing trade that I would start taking losing trades. And then when I started to act like I already won, I started looking at the McLarens that I'm gonna get once I hit a certain number, and I started to think about what the trade actually looked like. Then I started to actually win. Just think about your goals. Think about your goals and what you want. Don't let anyone else tell you what is possible or not. Decide today that it is what you want, and cut off all other possibilities, cut off all other options, and go in. Just go straight in. Decide. What I was doing was I was actually focusing on the wins. I was focusing on how it felt. I was focusing on the outcomes. I was focusing on the wins. And I decided that that is what I wanted. And I cut everything off. I cut off all other possibilities, and they just kept stacking and stacking. And they're continuing to stack today.